Hey Jedediah, my name is Lee Terbianic, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you guys could do to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and see and you become more interested on how I can help your business grow, just give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, just take the tips that I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask for is some feedback on the video. So let's jump right into it. The 3 major things I want to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. So content is basically any words that are written on your home page, and Google likes to see around 1,500 words on a home page to be able to show your clients and tell Google that you do have enough information for any clients that come to your site and that you are authoritative business. As we scroll down, you do have a nice layout. I love the logo. I do suggest getting a form submit right up here in your header with a name, phone number, email, so clients can come to your site, they convert quickly. I do like that you got your tab up here, home services. I do suggest having this as a drop-down menu with your services. I know you guys do a couple different things, stamped concrete and countertops and epoxy flooring. So boom, 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 your gallery, contact us and request a quote. But I don't see any keywords listed throughout this, and that is what is the most important thing, is having that 1,500 words and then the keywords listed throughout, which we're going to get into shortly. So I just did a quick search for epoxy flooring, Las Vegas, Nevada. Now Google is broke down into 3 sections. This top section is your Google ads, and these companies are paying cost per click, getting charged ridiculous amounts, and God knows if they're getting a client or not. So I don't really like to focus on the ads too much unless the client prefers that and has the money to, take a chance. But I know a lot of business, 40% of all business comes from the Google My Business listing, and also from down here in the organic section, which deals directly with your website. So let's touch base on those 2. So I do suggest you guys getting a Wicked Kolors business listing out in Las Vegas, Nevada. I know that your current site is for, I believe you have it for Tennessee or possibly the PA location. But this, I'm going to show you what it looks like for Las Vegas if you guys were to build a site and we were to put one out there. So out here is epoxy flooring Las Vegas showing up in first place. And what brings them up in first place and gets you up in this top 3 is citations. So citations are a form of backlink, which is a directory listing. So it's your name, business address, and phone number listed in directories all across the web in like the Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook's even one. So the more citations you have, the better reviews you have, the more pictures, and also you can go in here and post, and the more information you have filled out on this as well too, the higher you're going to rank. So these guys don't even have really other services. They do have a couple good reviews, but if we were to optimize and build a listing for you here, you could easily get up in this top 3 and you're going to pull some business from that. But now down under this organic section. So as you can see, epoxy flooring Las Vegas, Nevada. So we want to target the people who don't know a business and that are looking for one. So they would write epoxy flooring Las Vegas, Nevada, or concrete countertops Las Vegas, or stamped concrete. So I could do it for all of those, but I'm picking this one because it seems to be a very profitable niche, and I really love this type of stuff. So but epoxy flooring Las Vegas is showing up in first place. So I have a tool I use called WhiteSpark CA, and I put your guys's URL domain name up here, and it's going to show me all your stats. So as you can see, your UR and DR aren't helping. That's because you have no SEO done, and you're only ranking for 1 keyword at the moment, which is going to hurt. And it's colors, has nothing to do with anything that you guys offer. So now as we go to your competitor, which is this epoxy flooring Las Vegas, let's see what he's doing. So epoxy flooring Las Vegas, they have a 45 and a 20. They have 1,160 backlinks, and they're ranking for 1,000 keywords. Look at the traffic they're getting, 645 traffic to their website. That's 645 possible people that are looking for epoxy flooring in Las Vegas. That's freaking crazy. Let's go look and see what kind of keywords they got. Now this is going to show us the keywords, how many times that keyword's being searched, and then how hard it is to rank for, and plus the position and traffic they're gaining from it. So this is a general keyword. People are just trying to find information. But now this one, epoxy flooring, Las Vegas. That's somebody looking for epoxy flooring in Las Vegas. 250 searches a month for that. They're in first position, and they're getting 86 traffic to their website out of the 250 just by being right here, ranking on this first page. So that's 86 jobs that they possibly are getting from being there. Now let's say 86 of that traffic came to their website and half of it actually filled a form submit, so that's 40. And let's say half of that actually turned into a client and bought an epoxy floor. That's 25 jobs just off of one keyword alone. What else is there? What is epoxy floor? Nope. Garage floor epoxy, Las Vegas. There's another good one. 90 searches, and it's got a 4 KD. KD is the keyword difficulty, and that's how hard it is to rank for it. So if this was 20, that means there's, a bunch of companies trying to rank for this. If this is a 0 through 5, that means this keyword's up for the grabs. Anybody can take it. So there's 90 searches for that. Here's another one, epoxy garage floor, Las Vegas, 100 searches. Las Vegas polished concrete, 40 searches and a 0. Marble epoxy garage floor, 700. Epoxy flooring, Nevada, 40. Garage floors, Las Vegas, 50. Epoxy Las Vegas, 40. Las Vegas garage floor coatings, 30. So we can list all these throughout that 1,500 words on your homepage, and that's what will start you ranking for them. But you need them in your content. Just like epoxy flooring, I'm going to show you an example. So look at, they wanted to be found for this keyword. They put it right in their heading. Las Vegas epoxy floor company, that's a keyword. Here's another one, epoxy flooring Las Vegas. So they have it there. Look at, they have it in their content. Epoxy flooring Las Vegas. Let's see if they have any more. Epoxy garage floor installers Las Vegas. Epoxy garage floor. There it is again. Las Vegas and Henderson epoxy flooring company. You're just telling Google what you want to be found for. And I've worked with businesses all over. I've worked with this Brico Plumbing. We built this site. His is Plumber Woodland Hills. So I'm battling people out in Los Angeles, California, and ranking him on the first page for tons of keywords. He's tripled his business since we started. But look, this is the site I built. Woodland Hills Plumber. Woodland Hills Plumber. Woodland Hills Plumbers. You see the resemblance to this website? What they did, and look at the type of traffic these guys are getting. They are pulling business out the freaking butt. And we could do this for every location that you have, but you just need to get your site in order and get all the stuff, the Google standard stuff down. I'd love to talk with you guys a little bit more about this. My name is Lee Turbienic. My phone number is 570-240-5257. Feel free to reach out at any time. We can schedule a meeting to talk, and I look forward to helping you guys out. Thanks for watching.